Bollards. These are posts set into the ground to deter vehicle traffic from entering pedestrian areas. Let's take a look at how I constructed them. So they have these sleeves that can be set in concrete, and this is me setting up the formwork so that it has a nice square of concrete around the outside, and the removable temporary sleeves slide in. And this is the actual bollard that will be placed into the sleeve once the concrete is formed, poured, and set. I included a pipe for drainage at the bottom so that any water that enters this kind of lower pipe area that's in the ground will be able to escape, and it won't cause any rusting over time of anything at the bottom of the bollard. So first, I'm setting them in these paving stones, and I want to map out center for the two so that it's evenly spaced in between. And then we have to pull up some of the existing pavers in order to excavate and get our concrete footing poured. So after the layout and removal of the first bunch of pavers, I'm going to excavate that top layer. This is a permeable pavement, so we have a small clear crush and a fabric material in between that separates it from the layer of larger clear crush underneath. So we're going to expose that, keep all of the materials separate off to the side so that we can easily replace them, and make sure that we're excavating nice and wide so that we have lots of room for our new footing. Close-up look at that drainage cloth. And let's start to dig. After a quick double check with a long straight edge that we have the right depth, going to set the footing in place, just double check that we're at the right height, maybe dig down a little bit more just so we have a little bit of room to play, and make sure that it is centered as well. So that's what the form looks like. I have it all labeled so that I know which direction it needs to go, so that the keyed side of the bollards, once it's finished, is facing the building. And that is ready to pour. You can see the pipe there that connects the bottom of the bollard sleeve that has holes in it for drainage, that goes directly down into that clear fresh layer, so it's not going to be encased in concrete and causing it to pool. And I'm mixing up some ready mix concrete and sending it into the form, making sure that I consolidate it and get the sleeve exactly to the right height. Once we get up to the top, I'm going to carefully place concrete and make sure that it's well consolidated once again into that upper layer. This is the finished surface that we're actually going to see around the edge of the bollard sleeve, and it's going to line up to the height of the paving stones once we replace the pavement. Getting a nice clean finish on there is important. Making sure that it's easy to clean up once concrete is set as well. But the biggest thing is that it's smooth and has a nice look to it. I also set up this form so that it is parallel to the existing pavement, so once I replace the pavers, it should line up pretty nicely and look like it was always there. Left the concrete for a day, and now it's time to strip the forms. And after a quick test that it all functions properly and looks pretty good, we're going to start to reinstitute the pavement around it. Compacting in layers, making sure that the fabric is replaced, and then doing a nice screed and compact of that upper layer before we do a little bit of a loose bedding layer on top of it to start resetting the pavers. Because this new concrete is displacing some of the pavers, we're going to have to cut and fit some pavers to make it look nice and tight around it. And I always like to cut around things like this, leaving a little bit of a gap because it is a permeable system so that it's not going to chip. And then the gaps get filled in with sand. We just want to make it nice and consistent all the way around. And you can see how our drainage works. So that pipe that's connected to the bottom goes right down into that permeable drainage layer underneath. So no standing water, which is ideal. Clicks home, like it was always there, ready to impede some vehicle traffic. Let me know what you think. Talk to you soon.